Hello, in this video, we are going to learn how to schedule an assessment. Before we begin, it should be noted that students will receive progress assessments at regular intervals as they work through the course material, and scheduling an assessment on your own is optional. You may want to schedule an assessment if you are unsure of the authenticity of a student's previous assessment results, or if you want to schedule an assessment at a specific time for all students, such as at the end of the semester. To schedule an assessment, select Assignments from the Assignment subnavigation menu, and then New Scheduled Assessment. This will take you to the New Assessment wizard. Step 1 of the wizard allows you to set a name, date, and assessment type. There are two assessment types. The Progress Assessment assesses students based on their individual and recent learning histories. The Comprehensive Assessment is slightly longer and assesses the students on all the content within the course. Step 2 of the wizard is Advanced Options. You can prevent automatic assessments to avoid students from being overassessed. You can also assign this assessment to the entire class or specific students. Assignment access options determine if a student can start the assessment on their own or if the assessment must be taken as soon as it is available. Step 3 is the grading scale. The categories of the grading scale can be renamed and adjusted by moving the green bars. Remember that an ALEKS assessment score is based on a percentage mastery of the entire course. Therefore, if you do enable the grading scale, be sure to adjust the scale according to the expected mastery on the date the assessment is scheduled. By default, assessment grades are not shown on reports. You have the option to display them on the instructor reports only, or both instructor and student reports. After making your display option choices, select Save, and the assessment will now appear in your assignment list. Once the assessment start date is passed, the student will find the assessment in their assignment section or take the assessment immediately upon logging into their student account, depending upon the options selected during creation. For more information about available features in your instructor module, check out our other videos in our Training and Resources section. Thanks for watching.